The multinational company, Samsung, is one of the powerhouse brands in the field of Android technology and high-quality and advanced appliances. The reputation they built through their amazing Samsung Galaxy phones is starting to shake as the launch of the Tesla Model Pi phone is hitting the world like a lightning. Stay with us until the end of the video as we unravel and we compare the Samsung Galaxy S22 and the Tesla Pi phone side by side so you can decide which one is the best of the bests. Welcome to Musk Innovation, a channel for tech geeks to sate your curiosity about Elon Musk innovations. Let's start with the hardware specifications of both phones. The Tesla phone would run on Android 12 and have a microprocessor created exclusively for Tesla. It has a 3.2 GHz processor and a battery capacity of 4,950 milliamperes per hour and will be able to charge itself using solar energy. How awesome is that? The Samsung S22 is expected to function with Android 11 and Snapdragon 845 CPUs. Its processor clocks at 2.9 GHz and has a battery capacity of 5,000 milliamperes per hour and can be charged via port or wirelessly. However, thousands of Samsung users complain about battery life depletion after a certain time. Both the Samsung S22 and the Pi phone have 4 rear cameras, which are configured almost identically. The Tesla Model Pi features a 108-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 50-megapixel periscope lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel micro lens. The front camera has a resolution of 48 megapixels and records in 4K at 60 frames per second and has a remarkable 1344 by 2722 resolution. The Pi phone's cameras are expected to be powerful enough to take photographs at nighttime without long exposure, while the Samsung Galaxy S22 offers a higher resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. The quality of the camera is nothing compared to the Tesla Pi phone. A 108-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel periscope lens, telephoto lens, and ultra-wide lens comprise the back camera of S22. The front camera has a resolution of 40 megapixels and captures video at a resolution of 8K at 24 frames per second. With regards to storage capacities, the Pi phone has an expandable memory range of 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 to 512 gigabytes of internal memory and has flash storage of 2 terabytes to accommodate the user's data, while S22 has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal storage. In terms of network connectivity, the Pi phone will be able to connect to the Starlink internet network. Starlink is one of Elon Musk's technological advancement masterpieces that aims to provide internet connection that will reach even the narrowest corner of the earth. Samsung, on the other hand, uses third-party internet providers. Now, hold your breath as we unravel the last comparison of the Tesla Pi phone and Samsung Galaxy S22. A Neuralink integration will also be included in the Pi phone. Elon's Neuralink project aims to connect human brains to computers. The Pi phone will connect directly to the user's brain and work in accordance with his or her wishes. Like Neuralink isn't enough, Pi phone also has the ability to mine cryptocurrency. It will be able to mine Mars coins and serve as our virtual wallet. These technological advancements are not present in the Samsung Galaxy S22, and even if they tried, it will take decades before they can achieve these. We cannot deny that Samsung Galaxy S22 is an absolute delight, especially to Android users. However, the Tesla Model Pi phone is a historical feat of this generation's attempt for an even greater technological advancement and exploration. Before we end this video, show us some love and hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to always get updated on our latest videos about SpaceX, Neuralink, Tesla, and everything about Elon Musk.